Ever wondered how multiple babies, like twins, triplets, or even octuplets, come to be? It's a fascinating journey that starts right at the very beginning of life. Let's dive into the incredible world of multiple pregnancies. It all begins with fertilization. Most of the time, one egg is released and fertilized by one sperm, resulting in a single baby. But sometimes, nature has other plans. For identical multiples, something amazing happens. A single fertilized egg, called a zygote, splits into two or more separate embryos. Because they all come from the same egg and sperm, these babies will be identical. They'll share the same DNA, have the same sex, and look strikingly similar. This splitting process is a bit of a biological mystery, a truly random and magical event. Then we have fraternal multiples. This is a completely different story. It happens when a woman's ovaries release more than one egg during her cycle, and each of these eggs is fertilized by a different sperm. Think of them as siblings who just happen to be conceived and born at the same time. They each have their own unique set of genes, just like any other brothers and sisters. That's why fraternal multiples can be different sexes and don't necessarily look alike. The tendency to release multiple eggs can even run in families. Now, imagine the womb, a space usually designed for one, suddenly becoming a bustling neighborhood for 2, 3, or even 8 tiny residents. As the embryos develop, they need their own life support systems. Each baby typically has its own amniotic sac, which is a protective, fluid-filled bag. They also need a placenta to receive nutrients and oxygen from their mother. In some cases, identical twins might share a single placenta, which can sometimes lead to complications as they compete for resources. Fraternal multiples, on the other hand, almost always have their own separate placentas. So, how do they all fit? The uterus is an incredibly elastic organ, capable of expanding to astonishing sizes. As the babies grow, the mother's belly expands to accommodate them. It's like a tiny apartment complex where everyone has their own space, or in some cases, shares a room. Doctors use ultrasounds to keep a close eye on everyone, making sure each baby is growing well and has enough room. They monitor the baby's positions, heartbeats, and growth, ensuring everything is on track. The development inside the womb is a carefully choreographed dance. Each baby follows the same developmental milestones as a single baby would, growing from a tiny cluster of cells into a fully formed infant with fingers, toes, and a beating heart. Of course, with more babies, space becomes tighter sooner. This is why multiples are often born a bit earlier than single babies. They simply run out of room to grow. The birth of multiples is often a carefully planned event. Due to the limited space and higher risks, many multiple pregnancies result in a C-section to ensure a safe delivery for both mum and babies. When they finally arrive, it's a celebration of a truly extraordinary journey. From a single split cell or a flurry of activity during ovulation, The formation of multiple babies is one of nature's most incredible miracles. Each tiny life is a testament to the amazing capabilities of the human body. Thank you so much for watching and exploring this amazing topic with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more incredible stories from the world of science. See you next time.